There is something influencing more decisions in your life than you realize. Not motivation, not discipline. The environment around you. Most people believe their choices come from intention, from willpower, from personality. But in reality, many decisions are shaped by something much quieter. Structure. Some systems are designed to guide behavior. Others are designed to keep you inside them. And most of the time, you don't even notice. Because the system doesn't push you. It simply changes how easy things feel. Imagine trying to leave something, a subscription, a habit, a routine. You expect a simple action, one clear step. But instead, you encounter resistance. Extra steps, hidden paths, unclear exits, repeated confirmations. At first, you continue. But then something subtle happens. Mental fatigue, not physical tiredness, cognitive friction. The quiet moment where your brain decides, it's easier to stay. This is not accidental. It's called friction architecture. The design of environments that make certain actions easier and others harder. Not by force, by effort. When leaving requires more energy than staying, the brain chooses the easier option, not the better one, the easier one. Your brain is constantly optimizing for energy. Every decision has a cost: attention, clarity, mental effort. Most of the time, your brain is trying to conserve resources because thinking deeply is expensive. So when the cost rises too high, something predictable happens. The brain activates what we call a decision default, the automatic path, the familiar route, the option that requires the least resistance, even if it's not what you truly want. This mechanism doesn't only exist in apps, it exists everywhere. Careers, relationships, daily routines, habits, entire life paths. People don't always stay because they want to. Sometimes, they stay because leaving feels overwhelming. Because change requires energy, clarity, uncertainty, risk. And uncertainty is one of the most expensive states for the brain. A system doesn't need to trap you. It only needs to increase the friction of escape. Over time, that friction reshapes behavior. Not dramatically, gradually. Small decisions, repeated, patterns forming, quietly. Friction doesn't control you directly. It reshapes probability. It increases the chances that you will choose what requires less effort. And over time, those probabilities become patterns. Patterns become routines. And routines become lives. But something changes. The moment you see the architecture, the moment you recognize the pattern, the moment you understand that your decisions are not happening in isolation. They are happening inside systems. And when you see the system, you regain perspective, you regain awareness, and sometimes you regain control. This is Silent Systems.